Well, finally, we have Gemini 2.5 Pro available on Perplexity AI. And if you want to use this new model, you can navigate to perplexity.ai and then you can write your prompt normally and you can click on this icon and you can select the model, which in this case would be Gemini 2.5 Pro. Now, as a reminder, this is not the only place you can use or you can try Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can use this same model on Google AI Studio, and you can also use it on the official Gemini website, which is gemini.google.com, and you can select the model right here. And by the way, this model is available on Gemini without having to pay for the advanced version, so that's really good. However, of course, there is one thing in Perplexity that makes it very attractive. So if you want to use Gemini for research, especially doing a deeper research on the internet, then I think the result from Perplexity would be a lot better compared to on the official Gemini website. So based on my testing, Gemini is more thorough and more detailed when answering a question. For example, here you can see that the answer from Gemini is longer when you compare it to the answer from Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. It is okay to have a concise answer, but if you want to get a more detailed answer, then I would say Gemini 2.5 Pro is the best model for it. And another thing that you need to know about Gemini 2.5 Pro is that right now it is the best model from Google. It is very good at math and logic. It is very good at complex problem solving, and it has bigger context window. It has up to 2 million tokens, which is just insane, which translates to accuracy when answering a question. So if you want to upload a very long document and maybe you want to have a conversation with a document on Perplexity, then this is the best model for it. And it is also very good at coding. I do some testing, like I'm asking this new model to generate a video game of Flappy Bird using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file, and this is the game that it was able to generate. So the game is definitely playable, although it doesn't look pretty, but I would say it is nice to play the game. It is definitely resembled to a Flappy Bird game, although I would say there are some things that maybe we can improve. And by the way, just for comparison, I do the same testing on the official Gemini website, and this is the result. You can tell that it looks a bit better. The game is actually, the physics feels the same, but I would say the result from the official Gemini website looks and feel a bit better. And perhaps one reason why it looks better is because it is actually incorporating the reasoning capability. So as a reminder again, Gemini 2.5 Pro is a reasoning model. It is able to think before answering the question. So it is similar to DeepSeek R1, it is similar to O3 Mini from OpenAI, but for whatever reason, on Perplexity, it wasn't listed as a reasoning model. So it is on the same league as Grok, GPT-4o, Cloud, and Sonar. I have no idea why. It should be located down here in the reasoning section, but for some reason, it is not. It is not a reasoning model on Perplexity, and I do some testing, and there is no reasoning at all. It's just answering the question normally. And many people actually pointing the same problem. So I have no idea why it is not a reasoning model, but perhaps if I'm allowed to speculate, is because it is expensive. So reasoning model will consume more tokens, which translates to more money being spent on the computational power. So maybe that's the reason, but honestly, that was only speculation. I don't know the real answer. So hopefully this is just a simple error, and maybe Perplexity will enable or fix this problem about the reasoning capability of Gemini 2.5 Pro in the near future. Otherwise, it's basically just the same as any other AI models. But yeah, that's basically everything that I want to say about the new Gemini 2.5 Pro on Perplexity AI. Feel free to use it and let me know what you think about this new model. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more fantastic AI tools in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.